Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting control of the drivetrain and axle. Shift to the smallest rear cog so the wheel can drop easily. This reduces tension and prevents grinding. Next, open the quick release or unthread the through axle several turns using the proper wrench. This frees the wheel. If your bike has a disc brake that clamps when the lever is squeezed, release the brake lever or remove the caliper spacer so the rotor won't pinch. Once done, prepare to lower the wheel. You now remove the wheel safely. Lift the rear of the bike a few inches and pull the rear derailleur back to create clearance. This prevents the cassette from snagging. Gently lower the wheel out of the dropouts, guiding the cassette clear of the chain and keeping the rotor away from the caliper. For a front wheel, straight down removal while pinching pads apart or using a spacer keeps rotor damage away from pads. Make sure the axle seats don't catch spokes or frame elements as you extract the wheel. You finish by checking components and preparing for reinstallation. Inspect the axle, skewer, hub bearings, and rotor for dirt, bends, or damage. Clean and lightly grease threads if needed. When reinstalling, align the wheel in the dropouts and ensure the axle or skewer is fully seated and tighten to spec so the wheel tracks straight. If you hear rotor rubbing, loosen the caliper bolts, squeeze the brake lever to center the caliper, then red-iron bolts. This usually resolves rubbing quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.